Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you an easy way to use voice typing on Samsung phones. So here is the phone, this is the Samsung keyboard, and if you don't have here in the corner the little microphone icon to use voice typing, you can do it in another way. For that, just tap on the settings icon and here swipe and go to voice input, and here we have use side button for voice input. Just enable this feature. Now go back and again. And now to access voice typing, just press and hold the side button and say your message. So let's do it. How are you today? Okay, and now just tap here to send it, and that's all. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.